The Brewing factory, so you can see this is a handcrafted beer.
Hello, welcome back to Storyteller.
We were thinking to go for lunch in a restaurant. Then we found this Geist brewing factory, which has a beer garden also and a restaurant also. So we don't have much idea. We are going now. This is in the old Madras Road, and once we are there, we will get some idea about the place. We have reached. It's written, yeah. The parking is outside. Lot of parking spaces there. So, yeah. Huh? COVID-19 second dose certificate is mandatory for an entry. Beautiful flowers on the pathway. And it's giving a natural look, like there is no roof. The native trees are still there, which is very good. There are a lot of big trees. Factory, so you can see this is a handcrafted beer.
They have something called the growler, which is like you can take beer or something at home. It will be good for a month or so. But there will be a deposit that you'll have to pay.
You have to return the growler.
You have to return the growler. And the other option that you have, I think this is the growler. Growler looks like this. No, it looks like this.
This is growler, is it?
Growler looks like this.
Okay.
So the black one bigger than this. And how much do you pay for the growler? The growler is $8.99. $8.99. And if you return, then you get that money back. No, sir. That's the beer price is right there. Okay. Beer price is $8.99. You take like 600 for the growler. And when we come back, we can return and we can get that 600. Okay. Thank you.
The other option is the can option.
The other option is the can that you can go and you can take the can with you. They say the can is the better option. That's what they said, but we haven't tried any, so we don't know.
And we can keep the can till from 25 till 30 days. That's what they are claiming.
That's what they say. I guess the growler also you can keep for some time.
The food is really good. It's awesome. The kulchas are very soft. Food is very good. How was the beer?
Beer was awesome.
And the food is also too good. The burger has come for push. We had a lovely time over here. The food is awesome. The ambience is very good.
It's a little bit farther from here.
There is nothing to complain about this place. It is very well pet friendly also, because many pet owners are carrying their fur babies over here. The food was awesome, the drink is awesome, and the ambience is too good. So you should definitely visit over here. And yeah, kids are allowed. The beautiful part is they have kept these native trees. So that's all for today. We had a lovely time. Thanks for watching us. Thanks for staying with us. Please subscribe to our channel Travel Storyteller for more such reviews and more such like places around Bangalore.